Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a GMC Yukon in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is completely stopped on a flat surface. It is crucial to have the engine running for this process. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, you are ready for the next step. This ensures safety and proper engagement of the transmission. Always prioritize a secure and stable environment. Now, with your foot still pressing the brake pedal, locate the N button on your electronic gear selector. This button is typically found near the other gear selection buttons. You will need to press and hold this N button for approximately 5 seconds. This action signals the transmission to disengage from any gear and enter neutral mode. Once you have held the N button, check your dashboard for the illuminated N indicator light. This confirms the vehicle is in neutral. Carefully release the foot brake to ensure the vehicle can roll freely. For safety, immediately engage the parking brake. This prevents unintended movement, especially on slight inclines. Always prioritize vehicle stability. To exit neutral, first apply the foot brake firmly. Then, you can press the P button to return to park or the D button to select drive. Remember to release the parking brake only when you are ready to move the vehicle. This process ensures a smooth and safe transition back into a driving gear. Always follow these steps for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.